What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be fixing a check engine light on the TC. So let's go ahead and we'll get into the video. Alright guys, so for today's video we're actually going to be fixing one of the problems that's going on with the TC right now. I had the car red like a year ago or a year or two ago, and the O2 sensor was starting to fail. At that point, sometimes it would turn the check engine light on, sometimes the check engine light would be off. It kind of just depended on when I started the car up, so it was very annoying, and we're actually going to fix that in an upcoming video. But in today's video, we're actually going to fix another problem that's going on with the TC, and when I recently had the codes read, this one came up. So let's go ahead and we'll check out the piece of paper from where I got the codes read, and we'll see what's up. All right guys, so I actually went to AutoZone to have the codes read, as you see here. So I know that they're, they have an OBD2 reader, and it's pretty simple. It just shows you the codes. I'm sure there's better ones that you can buy or whatever, but if you don't have one of your own, this is a great way, to go have your codes read for free. So anyway, all right guys, so as you can see right here, it's showing the O2 sensor is bad. That's like the main code, I guess, that it's reading. So obviously that is right here, that's your P0138 code, which is the bank 1 sensor 2, like I was telling you guys about, and that'll be the next video coming up. We're actually waiting for a part to come in for that video. But as you can see right here, we've got a P0441, which is an incorrect purge flow, and then right underneath it we have a P0455, which is leak detected, and then it says gross leak, no flow. And then that code has actually showed up again. As you can see right here, we've got two 441s and two 455s. So we're actually going to try to go ahead and fix this today. I believe that before that this code was actually reading a year ago when I had the O2 sensor, but I didn't think anything about it. But after doing some research with this code, it actually seems like it could be as simple as changing your gas cap, because that seal around your gas cap, it's kind of like an O-ring in a way. Obviously the gas that we have today with all the ethanol and stuff like that, I believe, kind of breaks down that seal over time. Obviously my car is a 2008 car, so it's an older car. So like I said, as easy as switching that seal around there, which has obviously broke down in the time that I've owned it, could actually fix this check engine light. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Obviously we got a gas cap from our friends at Wyatt Johnson Toyota in Clarksville. So I'm going to show you guys that, show you the part number, and tell you how much I paid for it for an OEM replacement, because for something like this you probably don't want to go cheap on a gas cap, because then you'll have the same issue of it leaking or it not sealing correctly. So let me go grab that gas cap and I'll get right back to you guys. All right guys, so as you can see, like I said, I got it from our buddies at Wyatt Johnson. Here is the address and the phone number in case you guys are in this area. They have great customer service. That's where I get all my Toyota parts when we rebuilt the 2013 TC. That's where 90% of the parts came from. They are a great place. I really like those guys a lot, and if you guys have been a part of the channel for a long time, you know that I actually worked there I think 2 or 3 summers, when I was in college playing football. So they help me out a lot with a lot of the things that I do, so I support them as much as I can. So if you guys are in the area, make sure you go get parts from them. They're great. So as you can see right here, here is your part number for your gas cap, and I actually have it right here. So as you can see, brand new gas cap. And obviously you got your little tether right here, I guess you could call it, that clips in so your gas cap doesn't, so it hangs on while you're filling up. But there is what it looks like, and there is your part number again. So if you guys are looking for, to get a new one, try to get one that's OEM. For this part and for this fix, it's going to cost you roughly, I think they helped me out with the parts a little bit, because obviously I did used to work there and I buy a lot of stuff from them. But it was $20.44. But if you guys are not buying it from Wyatt Johnson or not your local dealership, it looks like that you can get it online. There's one on eBay right here that is a genuine part, and it is 1988. And then there's actually one right here on Amazon that's also a genuine part, and it is $24.50. So it looks like it's roughly between $20 to $25 for a fix, and you can get rid of your check engine light. So let's go ahead and we'll start installing this new gas cap. All right guys, so obviously the first thing you need to do is you need to unlock your gas cap right here, or your gas door. All right guys, so if you have one of these tools, that'll really help. It's a like a trim tool. You can pop off, you know, like your door panels, stuff like that with. It'll help on this so you don't scratch your gas door. So first off, we're just gonna slide in right here, pop it out just like that. Then you can unscrew your old gas cap. All right guys, so real quick, we're going to compare before I put the new gas cap on. So as you can see, right in here is actually your gasket, and this one feels really kind of dry, almost kind of like dry rotted in a way. I know you can't see it super good because it's kind of down in the cap, but obviously it's old, it's yellow. This one has, you know, the nice new white on it, obviously, but I can actually kind of see a little bit of some tears like right in here, so that might be our issue. It might not, but if this doesn't fix it, we will make another video on another way to fix it, because I've researched some other things for that code, that if your gas cap don't fix it, then there's another thing that can fix it. So let's go ahead and we'll put this on first, and then we'll give you an update later on. All right, so go ahead and pop your tether in first, just like that, and then put your new gas cap in. All right guys, so as you can see, nice simple install. This gas cap now, I was messing with it off camera, and it seems like it's actually clipping in there a lot better now, because when I go to take it off, it actually is kind of harder to take off. So hopefully this will solve our issue with the codes. All right guys, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to take the negative side off of the battery terminal, and that'll just kind of reset everything. And as you guys know, that'll take off the check engine light, so that way we can tell maybe a week or two from now. Normally it takes about 4 days before it pops back up, because I've actually done this before to see if the codes will come back, and it normally takes about 4 to 5 days to come back up. And so hopefully when that happens, we obviously know we need to change the O2 sensor. I knew that from like a year ago. Hopefully our I think it is the P0441 and the P0455 codes, hopefully those will be gone when I go ahead and get it read again, and then it'll just be showing the O2 sensor, and then that way we will know that it was the gas cap causing the issue. Now the other issue that could be going on is, I know it's kind of like right here in these vacuum lines, there's actually like a little actuator, I think, in there or something like that, and if it's not opening and closing the proper way, that it can also cause those codes to pop up. But obviously we'll go ahead and we'll do the easy thing first, see if that takes away the codes, and if it don't, then we'll be making you guys another video on the same codes, showing you another fix for those codes. So anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. We'll go ahead and we'll do that off camera, reset everything like I told you before. So anyway, in the next video, hopefully the one right after this one, we might have to do 2, because we're waiting on a part, and that part is going to be the NVIDIA S-pipe for the TC. So that'll be really cool. We'll add another piece to the exhaust. As you guys know, we got the Megan mid pipe on the car, and then we have the TRD axle back exhaust. So that'll add that S-pipe in there. So anyway guys, until next time, remember, please go down and subscribe to the channel, like this video if they're helping you out. We've actually been really consistent. We've been going on for probably maybe 4 or 5 weeks now. We've been uploading every single Wednesday, so more consistent channel so we can grow it bigger and better. We can get more vehicles, stuff like that. So anyway guys, peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.